Hi, I'm Tommaso from easyreporting.io. Today we are going to see together how to install Google Analytics in your Shopify store. Ready to get started? This is our test account for Google Analytics. And what you can do is to go to Admin and then go to Data Streams and click on the data stream you want to track. In this case, it's the web. So now let's see how to install Google Analytics in our Shopify account. In this particular case, I'm going to talk about Google Analytics 4, the new version. And at the time of recording, January 2021, not all the features are available in Shopify. The integration is not as good. So I'm not sure this is what you want to do. You might be better off by installing Universal Analytics. And basically the way you do it is to just go into Online Store Preferences and then copy the snippet of Universal Analytics here. But this is not going to work with our GA4 account. I'll just show you. If I copy the snippet here and paste it and then click save, I'm going to receive an error because this is not what it's supposed to look like. So let's see how we can do it going around this. The thing you need to do is to go again to Online Store Teams, and then here on Current Team, you need to go to Actions and then Edit Code. Inside Edit Code, as usual, you need to go into the team.liquid part of your team, exactly. And then, yes, here we go. This is exactly what you see when you open it. And it's really easy. You just need to follow the instructions. So copy and paste this code as the first item into the head of every web page you want to measure. The team liquid is basically going to be true and is going to be there in every page of your Shopify store. So let's paste the snippet inside the head. They suggest to copy it as the first thing. I mean, it really depends. In this case, we're going to install it just right here in line 9. But the important thing is place it high inside this, after this brackets that you see here of the head. Then we're going to click save. And after this is done, we can just open our store. And using a tool like Wapalizer, you will see that Google Analytics is installed. I don't have anything else here, so this is how you can verify. And at the same time, if we go to our store, maybe now it's a bit too soon, but you should be able to see in real time people connected to your website. Yeah, so you can see easy reporting test, one person, first visit. So this is me. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you want to install Google Analytics in a more advanced way with Google Tag Manager in particular, there will be a link in the description to show you how to do it. See you the next time. Did you enjoy this video? Well, you can like, subscribe, and share it with anyone that might find it helpful. Also on easyreporting.io, there is a lot more content on website analytics and reporting. Go give a look. I'll see you in the next video.